Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a dynamic timetable in this app known as Notion. You can use the free version to create this timetable. It has lots of features, but if the paid version is actually mainly meant for storing a lot of data that like your lectures or your documents like that. But the free version will allow you to create many number of blocks and you can try it in the free version. So let us get started. The next video that will be coming is of how I am making this dynamic timetable in the app named Notion. So basically first you will be coming on a blank page. There first you have to make the page full width from the setting like I am doing, and then you have to create the forward slash, and then you can have to create certain headings, right? For example, I'm starting actually making the weekdays, right? First you have to create headings for the weekdays starting with Monday. Now I will continue and create all the 7 days of the week, and then I will actually arrange them in such a way that all of them, 3 of the days can fit in a single row. So let us see how we can do that. So now I'm going to drag by clicking on the six dots that is present before the names, as you can see, and I'm going to drag them until I see this blue dash that is coming on the your right hand side of each of the days, right? And like this I will create 2 rows now. Here comes Friday and then Saturday. You can see that until you see this blue dash that is coming in the right side, you keep dragging it. So this is how you create, but the Sunday will be even separated like that. It is going to consume a whole single row of its own. So now coming to the divider, you can use this divider to create make it more presentable, right? See how it is separating the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then another divider. You duplicate it and then again just drag it and drop it below until you see a straight long line. So this is how you create the basic outline, right? So this is your basic outline. Now you go to the forward slash again and select the table view, right? There is a view known as the table view, as you can see. Yes, here it is. And now in the table view, you click on the new database and you can title it as a to-do list, right? So in the now coming to the main part, right? Look at this carefully. So in the first, that will be your tasks panel, right? In this column, you will mention all the tasks that you want to perform every day, right? So, and then in the tags, you select the type and make it to a checklist, right? There is a checklist option, a checkbox option. You can select that and remove it for saving the space, as you will see soon. So now look at that. I'm going to make this the width actually smaller. I'm going to make the width smaller so all of them can fit nicely. Let us adjust that. See, until that scroll bar in the bottom vanishes, you keep dragging. And another bar I'm going to add, that is the status bar, whether it is not started your task, or it is in progress, or it is completed, right? So suppose this is your task 1 and task 2, right? I'm just going to add them randomly. So make sure that the scroll bar, as you're seeing in the below, the gray colored scroll bar, actually that make sure that it vanishes, right? Now here it is no more there. So now this is your table. Your table is ready, right? And this is your task 3. These are just the examples. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this table and I'm going to add this table by drag and drop to all of the days, right? Look carefully. Again, by clicking on the 6 dots, and I'm just dragging and dropping them. Again, I will duplicate and drag and drop. Now I will add filters, right? So look at this carefully. Going to the filter section, I will click on the checkbox and select the unchecked ones, and another filter I will go for the status and select the not started and in progress one. So now what will happen is that whenever I am checking some task in this my task list, it will automatically vanish, or it is automatically vanished or removed from this table, right? Because only the unchecked tasks will be shown in this table now. You will see soon that whenever I am going to check something, right? You can also like already add the filters and then copy at the table and then paste. It will be better, right? So look at this. I checked on task 1 and it vanished from the table, right? and like for example I will click the not started and make it into in progress, then it will stay, right? But when I click on done, it will vanish. See, only task 3 is left. So like this you can add task, and automatically when the tasks are done, they will be removed from your table, and you can keep adding new task. And then again you can also, they actually not getting deleted, right? You can also view them by either you can select the clear selection one, or suppose you want to see the task that you have completed or done, then you drop down on the filter option and then select. So you will be able to view all the tasks, but this gives you a more organized timetable where you only the tasks that are left you will be able to see if you add the filter. So this is how you ultimately create a dynamic timetable in this app known as Notion, Notion. And hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and you can also check out my Instagram page, Neighborhood Medico. And thank you for watching this long.